Alam mo, Soy, in-invite kita, hindi ka sumali kasi duwag ka.
Gabe, masakit ba na after nung so-called win mo, sa akin napunta yung simpatsya ng mga tao? Yung believe nila, imbis na mapunta sa'yo, napunta kay Kayo. Anong natira sa'yo? Doubt? Pagkainis ng mga tao because of what you did? Well, magtataka ka pa ba dun? Instead of becoming honest about things, about how you do things, you still try to cover it up and ipagmalaki yung bagay na na-achieve mo kahit sa maruming paraan.
Minsan lang kita gagawa ng video. In-invite ka ni Pinoy Extreme. Sa lahat ng hindi sumali, ikaw yung pinakamaraming sinasabi.
Well, you know what? I'm glad that he didn't join. Kasi unang-una, he would receive the same unfair treatment that you gave us. And again, you are just going to claim the win doon sa ganong pamamaraan. And again, you have the people to actually attest for that.
At least kahit si Pinoy Extreme nagkalat siya, sumipot pa rin, di ba? Tapos ikaw yung pinakamaingay sa inyong lahat, hindi ka naman nga sumali. Duwag!
And look at you right now. Nanlilimos ka ng paggalang sa mga tao gamit yung isang event na alam naman ng mga taong nag-iisip na hindi mo deserve yung paggalang at paghanga nila. Kaya again, anong natira sa'yo after nung debate? The people can tell that. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.
This is Pinoy Extreme.